Running RAID 0 on 2x240GB. So far so good. We'll update more information after few months. I used SATA to USB case to make 256GB portable storage drive. The art on the SSD is beatifull. Bench is much faster than my Samsung 850 Pro for writes, similar for reads. This is my third Kingston SSD, fixes for relatives, and all have worked excellently. Nice job, Kingston. Brought an old Acer Aspire E15 back to life. I bought this SSD for my now 9-year-old polycarbonate MacBook, and so far it has mostly transformed this system into a competent daily driver and runs High Sierra pretty well. My only issue though is with the read-write speeds. Using the BMD speed test I get speeds ranging around approximately 250 MB, s-read and approximately 160 MB, s-write. Not the quickest of SSDs, but a huge step up from the stock 240GB spinner that it came with. Overall satisfied with the drive. Fantastic considering that I'm using a USB Type-C enclosure. Great performance. I hope that made you feel better. Click link in description for more reviews.